January. So in January we moved to a new location, Raheja, and again now in April we have opened up a new development center in Bangalore. So as we already informed you last week, we had the development center inaugurated in Bangalore on Saturday, April 2nd. So can we all give a round of applause? And thank you. So it has been a very memorable journey for every one of us who has been with Colin for quite a long time and who's joined us in between as well. So we have seen or we have experienced the growth by ourselves, how like where we were before and what we are now. So it's been a very great and a memorable journey or a nostalgic journey for every one of us. So we would like to share like a few moments of the inauguration, and before which we have our management team here among us, and we would like to I would like to welcome them. I would like to welcome our managing director and chairman, Mr. Najmul, who is here. Can we give a round of applause? And we have Mr. Sarfraz, our COO here among us, and also Imran. I welcome each and like the management team, and also I welcome each and every one of you for this event. And to start with, we would like to just share a few moments of the Bangalore inauguration, and maybe Divakar, can you please help me with the slide there? Yeah, so this is where our office is located in Infantry Road, North Square. So we are put up in the 5th floor there. So already there are the other 4 floors are occupied, and we are put up in the 5th floor in Infantry Road, North Square. So this is the entrance, like where we have our the name and our address. So this is the entrance where we have our name and address in our office in Bangalore. Okay, so we had our chief guest there who came in and who inaugurated our office. His name is Mr. Hilal Bhai, who works with ENCO. So he was our guest of honor there. So he was the one who inaugurated the office there. That's where you see the office getting inaugurated.
He's also the auditor for Colin.
Yeah, he's also the auditor for Colin as well. So that's where we see the office being inaugurated by Mr. Hilal Bhai. So here the great moment, the very sweet moment where we have the cake cutting by a daughter of our chairman, Mr. Najmul. So this was a very sweet moment there for us. So proceeding further, we just take a look of the office premises there, the development center and the premises of our office in Bangalore. So the last time when we shared the photos, it was the work was not done, the infra was not done. So now you can see our office with the infra completed there. So we see our chairman and CEO Mr. Fairoz and Balaji VP Sales having a serious discussion, I believe. So this is the group photo where like everyone who went there for the inauguration together. So we have all the team leads and the directors there, we took as a group photo. So these are a very short, very quick moments or sweet moments which we would like to share. And we also have a small video clip which happened on Monday. We had a small discussion. So it's just a 5-minute clip. So maybe like to tell you in brief what has happened there, like we were having a small debate, like for the growth of an IT organization, which team is more important, whether it is the development team or the sales team. So there was a small debate there among the sales team and the development team, and I believe the winner was okay. So the winner was, I think, whole of Colin, and our chairman, Mr. Najmul, was the judge there to judge who was the winner of the debate. Yes, sir. Okay, so now I would like to call upon Mr. Najmul to just share a few words or thoughts and what's the vision he has for the future of Colin.
Praise God. So, good evening, everybody. It's a joyous moment and it's a light moment actually because of the weekend. Lots of our colleagues could come there. Most of you were here, so we thought it apt to celebrate it here again. Of course, in a bigger way as we grow. As Simon just said, 2016 has started with a bang, with a fantastic addition to the Chennai office, and our idea was to be at the mecca of IT, that's Bangalore. So we've been Bangalore till now. as you must have seen, all your clients and colleagues always say, it's been Bangalore. So Colin has been Bangalore now, and of course that's a base and small one as we start. I don't want to go into the history again because at every function we always talk about milestones. This is also a major milestone, and we've skipped that learning curve which we had in the first, at the inception of Colin, where we started with a 3-member team. Now we will go up to a 40-member team, 30 to 40. So Bangalore would have complementary, let's say, support to Chennai. This is our base, of course. We will remain and we will grow here and in many more cities to come. I don't want to take a lot of your time and talk about many things. At the end, I will tell you what my little one said, Zara said. But just to brief you about what kind of vision, Sam was asking questions there. If you see the question and answer session, he got a lot out of me. But the idea is that we have to grow across technologies, and there was a debate on sales or delivery. For me, it boils down to complete growth. Without sales, delivery is nothing, and without delivery, sales cannot perform. But yes, sales is the driving force. So we look upon you guys to bring up the best this year, because you have the kind of infra which we were looking for. Of course, we will grow much further, not just in the in volumes like as infra or say quantitative, but qualitative growth is what we're looking at. So please improve on your coding and customer satisfaction. Make sure that there are as little as complaints as possible and maximum customer satisfaction, because that is the biggest sales for us. If we have a satisfied customer, we have a return customer and more customers. We can have any number of customers added, but if even 1 or 2% of them are unhappy, then the word spreads. It's a lot of hard work, all what we are doing here. We need to keep up that and grow. We will be having some hard, stiff budgets and targets coming up, because Mario was feeling it already, perhaps. But everybody actually, Bala is here, Balaji, that's and so we can look towards robust growth this coming quarters, and many more office openings. As my little one said, Papa, because of Bangalore opening, you brought me to Bangalore. If it's New York, will you take me to New York? I said, why not? So I think we'll open more offices, maybe not in New York immediately, but maybe SFO. Yeah. Again, the other IT Valley, Silicon Valley. So all the best, and thank you very much for where we are today. It all is part of, as I said, the whole team is giving its best to come up where we are today. Thanks to all of you, our customers, and not the least God. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We'll just end up with one small event alone. Alright, so we're going to split into 5 teams. Okay, so the PHP team, there in Unexorability will be one, and sales team together will be one team, mobility together will be one, .NET together will be one team, testing, Java, and the UI team here in Raheja Block A together will be one team. Right, so I just want you people to split up into 5 teams very quickly. Got my point? So maybe you can just use your team places. Maybe Java, testing, and the UI team can move out there. I'll just explain. Maybe you can hear it, right? So I'll just explain it. Okay, maybe I'll just once I explain the event, you people can split out and you can start it. நீங்க choose பண்ணிக்கலாம் bro. Alright, so I have like this. I have 5 different covers in which you'll be having one balloon, and you'll be having the different years starting from 2010 till 2016 and April 2016. So each year we were in a different location. So in 2010 we were in Montieth Court, and then to Montieth Road, in Taj Mahal 2nd floor, and then we moved to Taj Mahal 4th floor, and then we moved to Raheja Towers Block A and Raheja Towers Block B, and finally April 2016 it was Bangalore. So we have just mentioned the years in a chart paper and the place, the locations. For example, if it is Raheja Towers Block A, it's been cut into each alphabet. It will be in one bit of chart paper. Alright, so we'll be giving you the chart sheet and some glue as well. So as I told you, there's a balloon in that cover. So which team blows the balloon first, they will get that chart cover, like this bunch of papers. Okay, so they have to start sticking on straight to the year. For example, if it is 2010, they have to paste Montieth Court straight to that. So accordingly up till April 2016. Any doubts you have? Any doubts? Any doubts? Got it? Fine. Now you can just split according to the team. I'll just come there and give it to you.